Recording a checkup in MoneySMARTS 2.0 is simple. Simply click on the checkup month you wish to report for and enter in the opening balances for the specified cards on that particular date. You'll see the sum total account balance and credit card balance for all of your accounts for that particular date. Please note that if you're not seeing any account balances there because you're being displayed with an error that says there are no bank accounts currently set up in MoneySMARTS, you'll want to click on this particular button up the top here, Set up MoneySMARTS account tracking, or click on the error message itself to specify the accounts that you wish to show and track individually in MoneySMARTS. Alternatively, you can also go directly into the bank account and credit card itself, click on the current balance here, and enter in your information directly into the historical change log, which will then enable this information to flow directly through to the MoneySMARTS checkup area. It's important to note that we've designed MoneySMARTS checkups this way in version 2.0 to ensure that future, more automated functionality remains compatible with MoneySMARTS as well as the My Financial cards.